Ostagwana was the first traditional in Igbo land to wear this. Nobody wore it before him. Nobody.
And someone is telling me it was a Igbo of Onitsha.
Rubbish. Onitsha are not originally from Igbo. Onitsha are from the ancestors from Benin. Onitsha are not Igbo. That's the truth. Igbos have been here since 9th century.
Okay, my people, you all have watched that video. That man there that is saying all those rubbish, he's just doing that to prove a point. Some of our fellow Igbo people are having that supremacist mentality. Some group of Igbo people feel that they are more Igbo than another Igbo people. Some of them feel that they are more Igbo than those in the South. This is one of the reasons why some Igbo speaking people from the South will be telling you that they are not Igbo people. Why? They will tell you that if we say we are Igbo, now if we embrace our Igbo identity, some people from the Southeast don't see us as Igbos. They see us as fake Igbos. They will tell you that they see them as fake Igbos. That's why they don't want to identify as Igbos. They rather stay on their own and identify as Okwane. They rather identify as Inwani. They rather identify as Ika than to identify as Igbos. Because some people from the Southeast will tell them, you people are not original Igbos. Just like this man is saying that Onitsha people are not Igbos, that they are from Benin. Now, who is the founder of Onitsha? What is his name? His name is Ezechime. His name is not Obafiabon, Uvumiabon, or Vefiabon. No, his name is Ezechime. The name of his children are Igbo names. That same Ezechime gave birth to Onichubo, Iseluku, Obio, and some other Igbo speaking communities in Enuane. They are known as the Ezechime clans. Onichubo identifies as an Igbo community. He's the first son of Ezechime. Ine festival in Onichubo is the celebration of Ezechime. How he escaped Bini. No Onichubo elder will tell you that Ezechime is a Bini man. They will tell you that Ezechime is not a Bini man, that he married the Oba's daughter. He married the daughter of the Oba of Bini. Ezechime is not a Bini man. But this man is saying, the Onitsha people, they said they are not Igbo people. Onitsha people are not originally Igbos. They are not true Igbos. They are from Bini. Can you imagine? And he's not the only one. I have seen videos where some other elders, notable people, chiefs, kings are saying that Onitsha people, that they are not original Igbos. We are here unifying the Igbos, and some people that don't have sense will come out and tell you that these people are not Igbos, they are not original Igbos. Are you more Igbo than Onitsha people? Are you more Igbo than Onitsha people? 11 people are parading the video online claiming, Onitsha people are not Igbos. This man is saying the truth. He's saying the right thing. Onitsha people are not Igbos. He says Ezechime, a Bini man. No. Ezechime ran away from Bini because the Bini people accuse him that he is trying to kill the Oba to take over the throne. That is the same reason why Akalaka ran away from Bini. Akalaka lost and Ochichi, his brother. Bini people accused them of trying to kill the Oba to take over the throne. That's why they ran away. That is the same reason why Ezechime ran away. So why are these kind of elders causing problem for us? These are the problems that we are facing in Igbo land. Someone is out here uniting. Someone that don't have sense. One last year, no, and person now go when show sign go fu. Or sign boom when ndani muche nekushi man then abundibo, wabibo, where she binibia, ndabinikwebo. Can you imagine? I saw this video and I decided to talk about it. We must talk about it. That's why I said that we will always talk about what is dividing we Igbos. These are one of the things. So many people in Anioma knows that they are Igbo people, but they don't want to identify as Igbos because they will be treating them as if they are not Igbos. Just look at what this man is saying. He is not the only one. There are plenty. So many of them plenty. You are more Igbo than them. Keep dividing the Igbos with your supremacist mentality. Look at how other tribes are unifying their people. You will never see Ijo people from Bayelsa telling you these Ijo people from Ondo states are fake Ijo. These Ijo people in Edo states are fake Ijo. These Ijo people in Port Harcourt are fake Ijo. You will never hear that kind of rubbish. You will never see Yoruba people tell you these Yoruba people in Benin Republic are fake Yoruba. This one in Kogi state are fake Yoruba. You will never hear those rubbish. Come Igbo land, you will see so many useless idiots everywhere telling you, nda habrandezi Igbo, iyo ka anaso, asụsụ abụrụ Igbo, nda Abakaliki asụsụ abụ Igbo, iyo ka asị asụ, ndị Okwane habrezi Igbo, habrezi Igbo, ha siri bi n'ibia, ndị Enuani habrezi Igbo. Now you know who be Igbo pass. This is one of the reasons why they are saying Igbos don't love themselves. Why they go to say Igbo love themselves? When they say some people they feel say na them be original Igbo, na them be the main Igbo, na them be the major Igbo. People will not get sense. Ndi Zuzu. People that don't have sense. The whole country are against us. Instead of us to unite as a single people, you they claim say you are more Igbo. If they check the history of this man, you'll be surprised that his ancestors migrated from Okwane. You'll be surprised that his ancestors migrated from that same Ezechime. You'll be surprised to know that his ancestors migrated from those people he is calling fake Igbo. Igbo Bofu, let's not allow such things to divide us. Let's mind what we say. Let's correct all these errors. If you know that there are people from a region with that kind of behavior, stop them from saying such a thing. Caution them. Igbo Bofu, nobody can divide us, not even the set of elders that don't have sense. Ishewale.